things that I have been working on from my past that I thought I had gotten over, and seeing how some things this year were not clicking, and was shown that I really haven't addressed the whole issues from my past. I need to do more work on that. I can't say how often it was said to me or why it was said to me. I'm not really clear because it was so long ago. But I know that both my parents sent me a clear message that I wouldn't amount to anything, I wasn't good enough. I got that a lot with my grades. You know, I'd come home from school, I wasn't your A student kind of thing, and I had to work hard to get a C. And so, you know, they never really, if I did get a good grade, they never acknowledged it, but were always telling me how disappointed they were in my grades. And you know, if low grades, you can't go to college, and you can't do this, you can't do that, you're not going to, you know, go very far. And so the message was clear that I wasn't very important to them because I didn't have good grades. And that continued all the way through school, to the point where when I got into high school, I really didn't care about my grades anymore, and I really didn't care about my parents' opinion. So unfortunately, I lost that relationship even with them at a very early age, where I didn't have, I guess, a respect for them. So what I learned today is that some of the things from the past, like those words that were so long ago, I didn't realize were still affecting some of the things in my life today. If someone says something to me, especially a criticism that maybe doesn't come across well, it comes across negative, I hear my parents. Instead of hearing the person who's trying to help me with a little criticism, I hear a negative connotation, and then I take offense to it. And so I'm learning through, you know, times like this where we meet with Mr. Williams, that things that of today that I don't understand are happening because of the words I heard years and years ago. When you come to realize that those are lies, you realize your potential is far greater than where you're at today. And so my potential is everything. I can go everywhere. I can be anything I want to be. I can be an Einstein if I want to. I can be a successful scientist. I can be a president of the United States like Lincoln. He came from a lot of hardship, Abraham Lincoln, and so did a lot of the other presidents came through hardship. So we can be anybody we truly want to be once we realize what's holding us back.